So the bathtub Packards have a unique hood arrangement. It can be unlatched from either side and tilted up either way. There's a latch release on both sides in order for that to happen. This one is stuck. Okay, I can't get this thing to move at all. I was able to free up the other side. So if you do have a stuck latch, we'll go through how to make that happen. Go down here to the latch. You can see catch, release, catch, and release. So let's see if we can get this other side unstuck. So my problem was with the latch. That looks like it had been pushed too far and was totally seized. Add to that, this car has been kind of neglected and it wasn't in the best of shape. So we're going to see if we can get this thing undone. Got to get to my there's a little pin down here. Well, a little hard to get that out. So take this link off. There is a spring between these two. So try not to lose those. And now these things should spin fairly freely. This is really stiff on this side. Yeah, a little bit better on this side. So I'll hit those points just with some WD-40 real fast, just to get things moving. I'll do some 3-in-1 oil also. Work things back and forth and see if we can get things to loosen up a little bit here for us. Still really stiff. Much better. That's getting better now that it's working in. Oh, much better. Okay. So now we need to get this undone. The latch on the inside, it's totally stuck. So I'm gonna hit these hinge points here with some oil. And we're gonna use some mild persuasion. See if I get that to loosen up with a dead blow. Not much. Still pretty seized. Feels like the top one's loose. The bottom one is not. There we go. Whew. Mouse nest, gross. There we go. So now I'm getting some movement. It's still really stiff. That's not bad. See if we can get this thing put it back together now. Easier to get the spring in between first. Push that down. And I'm gonna go grab a different cotter pin. All right, let's see how that feels. So let's release, tighten, release, tighten. Better. A little stiff, but I think as I continue to work that, that should loosen up.